Have you ever had a decorative stitch that when you stitched it, the stitches as it went back and forth did not come back into the same previous holes? So it looked like it was like spread out or it was overlapped. Usually you see a balance issue with decorative stitches when you have fabric being an element, such as corduroy or something with a pile, even fleece has kind of a squishiness to it. I want to show you where you can adjust the balance of a stitch in the Bernina 480 sewing machine. And it's actually pretty awesome. You will see that you can do this with any stitch in the machine. So this is a common one that when I can look at a stitch as I sew it, it needs to come back exactly in and line up and connect to its previous point. This is a stitch that goes forward and back and forward and back. So when you go to the I for information, if this is an option for the stitch, you will see a picture of a scale. Touch the scale. Okay, now you'll get a rendition of this stitch. And what you can do is you can actually use one of these knobs. You can turn the knob, and that's what the little hand with the two buttons are. You can touch either one to change it. Nope, you can't. You have to choose the bottom one. You can also use the plus or minus. Okay, so here's how you do it. You look at the fabric where the problem is. You're noticing it doesn't line up. What you're going to do is you're going to adjust the image on screen to look like the problem look you see on the fabric. Once you see that the fabric and the picture match, the machine is going to adjust for you. It will adjust the forward and back feeding so it puts that stitch back the way it needs to go. So sometimes you might have it where it comes back too much, and then the machine again will adjust forward. If you find that your stitch is not coming back far enough and it has the gap, go ahead and set the picture to match the gap, and the machine once again will adjust the feeding to assist with that particular problem. All you have to do, match your picture to your fabric, and the machine will fix it for you.